Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this hair color right here. So first I applied 20 volume developer all over the hair just to ensure that whatever happens, the base of the hair would be the same all throughout the hair. So you can skip that step if you like, but I decided to do that so there won't be any black on the hair at all. So next I applied the mixture of 40 volume developer and L'Oreal powder bleach on the hair. So I applied the mixture randomly. As you can tell, I'm not following any process. It's just me picking the hair randomly and applying the bleach on wherever I want to be lighter on the hair. But as you can tell, the 20 volume developer is also processing as I bleach the hair. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, you can decide to apply it all at once. Well, I just decided to pick the color randomly, so some parts will be lighter and some parts would be a bit darker, just to give it a dimension, really nothing special. So that's all I did so far. And bear in mind that the earlier you bleach it, the lighter it gets, so if that really makes sense. But that's the finished look. As you can tell, there is variation in the colors, which is exactly what I was going for. So next I applied the Maxima in what's it called, toner, yeah, in the shade golden blonde. I actually left it on for about 3 minutes, nothing more, nothing less, like just 3 minutes guys, because if you leave this toner more than the normal time, which is about 5 minutes, I'm sure your hair is going to change to grey or turn to grey, and that's not a good look if that's not the look you're going for. So yeah, I applied the toner all over the hair. So I washed that out with shampoo and voila, that's the finished look. As you can tell, there's no black in the hair at all, and that was due to the fact that I actually applied the developer on whole the hair to just give me that basic tone of the same color throughout the hair. So that's what the hair looks like. The camera is not doing justice to this hair, but I'll try my best to take as many pictures as I can later and share it with you guys, either on Instagram or here on YouTube. So I decided to curl the hair with wand. You can style the hair anyhow you like, that's your choice. But as you guys already know, I'm a huge fan of wand curls. So yeah, and that's exactly what I did. So in regards to the quality of the hair, I must confess the quality of the hair is really good. As you guys can tell, the curls are popping, even the part of the hair at the back is not dried, but I just went ahead and do it anyway. So yeah, the quality of the hair is really good, and the hair is really soft, like silky to touch as well. And I also showed you guys that how I coiled it, like away from my face, using the head of the mannequin to judge as my own head, if that makes sense. So that's all I did so far. And if you're not quite sure, or if you don't really know much about this hair, feel free to check out my first review of this hair, which I'll leave the link in description box below. The hair is actually by Lonqi Hair. It's 3 bundles, and I received 3 bundles and 1 closure, and I made this wig. So feel free to check out that video as well. You can be able to understand how I created this wig or made this wig, and all the tea about this hair, the initial review. Yeah, so feel free to check that out. The link will be in the description box as well. So yeah, I'm just coiling the hair away from my face, which is what I did throughout this video. I mean throughout this coiling process. So I brush out the hair, apply the, what's it called again, setting spray, heat protection spray. Yeah, that's actually necessary even if it's a natural hair. So yeah, I applied that on the hair and I curled it away from my face. So I didn't actually want the video to be too long, so that was actually where I stopped curling the hair. The process is actually easy and simple, so if you're not quite sure, then feel free to check out my previous video with them. But basically just curling your hair away from your face, and that's it. Curl the hair around the wand, wait for a few seconds, and drop the curls, and you're good to go. After applying the finishing spray, I thought I need to give this hair some dimension, so I picked like 2 curls from the ready-made curls and cut the hair at the front just to give it like a fringe look, if that makes sense. So I just got tiny bit of the hair at the front, just that bit, and yeah, I combed it and I curled it, upwards, like a fringe kind of look, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's all I did so far. Nothing more, nothing less, just that area. I just wanted to dimension to the hair, and yeah. So if you're wondering how I achieved that bang kind of look, that was exactly what I did. I just cut out few strands of the hair, and voila, that's the finished look. What do you guys think? Like seriously, I am feeling myself. The hair is giving me life, and the quality is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Look at the color of the hair. Look at that. I am feeling myself. I'm still wearing the hair right now, and yeah, and I'm still feeling it. As I got a lot of compliment like, I like your hair color, I like your hair color. I'm like, yeah, stay tuned to my channel and watch the video. So they're like, oh yeah, good, sure. So yeah, stay tuned for the review. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the update of the Lonqi hair that I showed you guys in my previous video. I actually showed you guys how I styled and how I bleached and dyed this hair at the beginning of this video. I'm quite impressed with the quality of the hair so far. As you guys can tell, I went for a brownish golden kind of, bronzed look, if that makes sense. I'm just going to show you guys what I am saying. I'm sure the light is not doing justice to this color, but I hope if I go out there I'll be able to take some pictures and show you guys what the color of this hair really looks like. It's like a bronzy, stroke golden ombre kind of look, but the camera is not just doing justice to the color so far. Normally this hairstyle is always done using short hair, but as you guys already know that this is 26 inches bundles wigs made by me, but I decided to cut the top bit to frame my face, which is the exact look that I am going for right now. So yeah, I'm quite loving it. I'll quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about this hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed when bleaching the hair is the fact that the hair processed really quick. So I had the opportunity to dye it or tone it at the same time without having to waste any time at all. So everything was really quick for me because of this look that I was going for anyway. I didn't have to leave the bleach on for a long time to achieve the look that I was going for, because the hair gives me that golden bronze vibe, which was exactly what I was going for. So in that aspect, I'm quite impressed about the fact that the hair took to the bleach really well. And as you guys can already tell, the hair also took to curls. Look at that. There's no shedding, there's no tangling, and there is no matting up whatsoever. The hair is still really as full as it was the first time, and as you can tell, you can manipulate the curls anyhow you like. You can decide to leave the curls the way it was when I initially curled it, or you can decide to brush out the curls and go for this bouncy curly look, depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. But in terms of the quality of the hair, I'm quite impressed that I didn't experience any crazy shedding or matting whatsoever, and as you can tell, the hair is still bouncy and still full. Look at that. Look at that. It took to curls really well and it's soft and silky to touch. As you can tell, the body and bounciness is still there. Look at that. The body and bounciness is still there. So in case you're wondering, this is what the end of the hair looks like. As you can tell, there is no matting or shedding whatsoever, and there's no split end at all. So in terms of the quality of the hair, I'm quite impressed, and I really like the fact that I didn't experience any crazy shedding or matting or drying out and all that. I'm quite impressed with the quality of the hair so far, and as you can tell, the hair still holds curls really well, despite the fact that I put the hair through that process. If there's anything you'd like to know about this hair, I would be happy to help. And yeah, So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.